Welcome to Finance Made Easy. Here are this week's summary for August 14th-18th, 2023. Summary of the most active stocks this past week based on trading volume on the 18th of August 2023. Tesla closed at $215.49, down minus 1.70% with volume of 135 million traded. NVDA, closed at $432.99, down minus 0.10% with volume of 58 million traded. Apple, closed at $174.49, up plus 0.28% with volume of 61 million traded. Meta, closed at $283.25, down minus 0.65% with volume of 34 million traded. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, closed at $172.49, down minus 0.87% with volume of 49 million traded. Microsoft, MSFT, closed at $316.48, down minus 0.13% with volume of 24 million traded. Amazon, closed at $133.22, down minus 0.57% with volume of 48 million traded. AMD closed at $105.45, up plus 0.97% with volume of 59 million traded. Alphabet Class A, Google, closed at $127.46, down minus 1.89% with volume of 30 million traded. Palo Alto Networks, PA&W, closed at $209.69, up plus 1.02% with volume of 10 million traded. The summary of the key S&P 500 index data for this week. The S&P 500 opened the week at 4,343.29 points. It traded in a range between 4,335.31 and 4,381.82 during the week. The 52-week range for the index is 3,491.58 to 4,607.07. Looking at the performance. Over the last 5 trading days, the S&P 500 is down minus 2.11%. The index is down minus 3.67% over the past month. Over the last 3 months, it is up 4.24%. Year to date, the S&P 500 is up 13.81%. And compared to a year ago, it is up 3.34%. In summary, the S&P 500 opened the week at 4,343 and traded in a relatively tight range throughout the week. It is down over the past 5 days and 1 month, but remains solidly up for the year overall. The 52-week range shows the index is trading above the lows seen last year but below the all-time highs from early this year. This week's summary of the 5-year US Treasury yield. The 5-year Treasury yield closed at 4.384% at 5:05 p.m. EDT. This represents a decrease of 0.055 percentage points from the previous close. The current yield of 4.384% means an investor buying a new 5-year Treasury bond can expect to earn an annual interest rate of 4.384% on their investment. Yields fall when bond prices rise, and vice versa. So the 5-year yield dropping 0.055 indicates the price of existing 5-year Treasuries rose today. Lower yields often reflect decreasing economic growth expectations or increased demand for safe haven assets. The 10-year Treasury yield is commonly used as a broader benchmark for interest rates and investor sentiment. The 5-year yield dropping while the 10-year remains elevated suggests investors may be anticipating the Fed cutting rates within the next 5 years due to economic weakness. In summary, the 5-year Treasury yield edged lower today, indicating increased demand for shorter-term government bonds and potentially more caution about the medium-term economic outlook. But yields still remain significantly above recent historical averages. This week's summary of the current crypto market statistics. There are over 1.8 million cryptocurrencies tracked across 661 different exchanges. The total crypto market capitalization is $1.05 trillion. This is up 0.41% over the last 24 hours. 24-hour trading volume is $58.59 billion, which is up 11.86% over the last day. Bitcoin dominance is 48.2% of the total market cap. Ethereum dominance is 19.0%. Ethereum gas price is currently 21 GWh. The Fear and Greed Index is at 37 out of 100, indicating fear levels in crypto market sentiment. In summary, the crypto market cap stands at $1 trillion after a slight 0.41% increase over the last day. Trading volume has jumped up nearly 12% in 24 hours. Bitcoin remains the dominant cryptocurrency at 48% market share, while Ethereum makes up 19%. Sentiment is currently fearful according to the Fear and Greed Index. The Ethereum network gas fee is at a standard 21 GWh. Summary of the key economic events on the calendar for next week. Monday, August 21st. No major reports scheduled. Tuesday, August 22nd. Existing home sales for July, expectation is 4.2 million annual rate. Wednesday, August 23rd. S&P Services PMI for August, previous was 52.3%. S&P Manufacturing PMI for August, previous was 49.0%. New home sales for July, previous was 697,000 annual rate. Thursday, August 24th. Initial jobless claims for week ending August 19th, previous week was 198,000. Durable goods orders for July, expectation up 4.6%. Durable goods orders ex transportation for July, previous up 0.6%. Friday, August 25th. Fed Chair Powell gives opening speech at Jackson Hole Summit. University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Final for August, previous was 71.2. Other key events include Fed officials giving interviews from Jackson Hole on Thursday and the durable goods reports on capital expenditures and shipments. Some of the major companies expected to report earnings next week. Monday, 8/22. Palo Alto Networks, PA&W Zoom Video, ZM. Tuesday, 8/23. Macy's, M Nordstrom, JWN Salesforce, CRM Intuit, into Advance Auto Parts, OP. Wednesday, 8/24. Nvidia, NVDA Snowflake, Snow Autodesk, ABSC Splunk, SBLK. Thursday, 8/25. Dollar General, DG Dollar Tree, DLTR Peloton, Gap, GPS. Notable earnings for the week include major retailers like Macy's, Nordstrom, Dollar General and Dollar Tree. Big tech names reporting include Nvidia, Salesforce, Intuit, Splunk and Snowflake. And consumer companies like Peloton and Advance Auto Parts will also report quarterly results. The earnings calendar is lighter overall with Q2 earnings season mostly finished. But next week still sees reports from some high-profile companies across sectors like retail, tech and consumer discretionary. Remember to subscribe if you find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the weekly articles in the description.